PowerPoint for me. I just need a whiteboard and some pens. So, you come in the morning and you get into the elevator. This other guy gets in behind you, he's wearing a suit. The elevator's doors are shut, you start up, and there's a bump and a squeak. The elevator's stuck. So you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the Chief Financial Officer. Good to meet you. So what do you do? I'm one of the Agilists, actually. Really? So why should I pay any attention to this agility? It actually, as far as I can tell, it sounds like a big waste of money. Can I show you? All right. Now, it just so happens you've got a whiteboard with you, which really helps. Okay. And so what you say to them
whiteboards in all elevators.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Standard issue.
Just draw on the wall.
So what you say to them is, look, well, the way how things are traditionally done is we usually work to a plan, right? And the plan, very roughly, is something like this. We want a certain set of tested, valuable features, okay? And usually we want them by a certain time, right? Time. And that would give us a target, say over here, okay? And we've made a decision about this, so the plan gets underway. And how it usually works is we start doing a chunk of analysis, and then we do a chunk of design, and then we start building, and then we start testing, and oh crap, oh whoops, we're late. Oh dear, and it happens usually like that every time. If I had another 20 minutes, I could go into reasons for why it always happens like that, but that's what usually happens. And so the difference between a traditional approach, a plan-driven approach, and what we do as Agilists is that we keep replanning. And we keep replanning based on value, all right? And what we do is we actually do a little bit of all of this at the same time, right? So we'll do a little bit of analysis and design and build and test, right? And then we'll do another little bit of analysis, design and build and test. And pretty quickly, we can actually go, oh look, we'd be late. Thing is that when you do it the old way, you're going to find out around about here. When you do it our way, you might find out around about here. That's good. That means that we can actually make a decision. What's more important? The time. Because if the time is important, will you settle for a smaller set of features? Or if it's the feature set that's important, do you mind them being late? Or if both are important, well, maybe we'll have to spin up a new team so that we can actually change the angle of that line, right? Don't go out into the team, it'll go and mess with the team dynamic. But you're the CFO, right? So here's the thing that's really interesting. This is what you'll like. When we do this approach, right, the plan-driven approach, we start spending money, and we keep spending money, and we're spending more money, and I don't know, somewhere in here, we're going to start maybe delivering, and finding out whether what we're delivering actually has value. Value is what you get when customers give you money, right? But until we're down here, the customer doesn't know what we're giving them. So it might be a complete train wreck. For all we know, we could have wasted every single cent. Well, let's say it works out right, and we go take it to the market, and we go up here, and we make a certain amount of money. Let's say we get 200% ROI. Pretty good, actually, right? That was the plan, we actually nailed it. If we have a go at this as Agilists, it kind of starts off the same way, because you're going to be spending some money, and spending some money, and spending some money, and spending the money. But you remember I told you we do this in little short bursts? And we reprioritize by value. So we're going to get a chunk of value out there real early. And then we'll spend some money, and we'll spend some money, and we'll spend some money, and we'll get a chunk of value out there, right? And if we get this right, and I'm talking about an ideal, all right, this is going to kind of look like a curve like this. Well, if you keep an eye on the math, you may well find that somewhere around about here, say, we've got 300% ROI. That's nice. Remember originally we were going for 200. Well, supposing we go, all right, that's good, let's stop. And then let's do it again. And then let's stop and do it again. That's what has companies go broke and disappear from the stock market. This is what has companies be market leader. Pick one. And there's a clunk and a squeak, and off you go, and you never see them again. Thank you.